I am Donna, 36 years old, and this is my daughter, 8 years old. We rent a decent apartment here in the province. For our transportation, we use a motorcycle. We eat a simple meal, a healthy lifestyle while living here in the province. So how much does really actually cost a mother and a daughter to live this kind of lifestyle for a month? In this video, yes, and show you exactly where the money goes.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
I will be talking in English, and I'm already warning you, my English is very professional among the professionals, so bear with me. This is only for monthly. It took me a while to finally able to break down all our expenses. So this is just gonna be based on the last month that we spent. For those new here, we are living here in Ilocos Sur, which is one of the tourist spot here in the Philippines. So since we are a little bit far away from Bigan, which is 10 to 15 minutes away from Bigan City. So our apartment here is only 10,000 pesos. This apartment has a 2-bedroom, and we have also decent size of kitchen. You can also put a dining room and living room. And this is bare. It means that I had to buy appliances for this. So let's talk about the electricity. Here in the Philippines, if you have an aircon and you run it 24/7, you consider us rich. That's a luxury already here in the Philippines. My daughter has asthma, so our doctor recommend that my daughter had to have a aircon. We run the aircon at least more than 10 hours a day. Like for example, now she is in the school, so we are not really running the aircon because it's only me. We really do spend money to put a ceiling fan, so therefore it's not too noisy. As you can see, even though I am talking right now, you don't very hear a noise from the ceiling fan. Too heat, too hot. So our electricity is around 5,000 to 7,000 pesos. So when it comes food, since I am meal prepping, so by the way guys, if you're new here, I'm doing meal prep, which is I am spending the whole day to cook for 7 days. Filipino foods, normal Filipinos for every day, it's more cheaper. Unlike American food. American food is way expensive. Like for example, my daughter told me like, Mama, I want burger. I made a burger last week, and then I was so shocked just to get the sauce that I watch in the YouTube or TikTok that I would like to make. And it cost me already like more than 1,000 pesos just to complete the ingredients for the sauce. So I was like, wow, this is a lot. The typical Filipino that we are just living in a minimum wage, we don't really eat this kind of foods only in the equation because it's really a lot for us to buy this kind of food. So we consider this one as a luxury here in the Philippines. If I'm going to cook a Filipino food, I would be spending 3,000 pesos per week. If we're going to divide that one to daily, this is only we are going to eat the budget for every day. So that's already complete with a lot of variety of food. If I am going to American food, I'm just gonna say American food, I'm sorry. If I would be spending 5,000 to 7,000 pesos per week. So I really try not to meal prep American foods and everything, because additional to that, because we're also trying to lose weight. At the same time, we're also trying to eat healthier. So therefore, we stick most of the time in Filipino food. So our budgets range from 18,000 to 20,000 pesos per month. At the same time, the meal prepping make it so possible for me to be able just spend this kind of amount for this kind of food. So meal prepping is the biggest help for us to sustain our weight, and at the same time, money and time. We are using corn bird. It's only 1,500. We are so lucky. Every time we have a problem here, they go here right away to fix it. This only takes within 24 hours. Our internet already working. I know in other places it's so hard to have good reliable internet. Our toiletries, it's 3,000 pesos. So that's already for 1 month for our everything like lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and everything. So transportation, I only have a yellow tricycle, the Pasias tricycle here in Ilocos. So some of the subscriber also before when I was single, I refused for them to give me a car because they said they feel sorry for me because I was just driving a tricycle back then. Shout out to you. I refused because the car is a lot of maintenance and I don't have parking area here. Additional to that, I am more comfortable in tricycle because I can easily park this tricycle here. At the same time, it doesn't cost me a lot of gas. So our gas is only 500 to 1,000 pesos per month. E-bike. Yeah, I've been over the e-bike. I said, no, I don't like e-bike because e-bike is too slow. And I would like to go to like market. So our routine is only just market here in Ilocos. There's no lot of maintenance. Yeah, if it's raining, there is also a cover on that tricycle so my daughter would not get wet or something. So since I don't know if I'm gonna stay here in the Philippines, if I will be building a house here in the Philippines. So as of now, that's the thing that I have right now, and I'm blessed to have the tricycle that I am. My daughter goes to private school because one, the aircon, because in public school here in the Philippines, especially in our area or provinces, the facility are good, but the problem here they don't have aircon. There's some benefits that we're not gonna talk about it here, about the differences about public and private, but I decided to go to mainly the aircon because probably if Ella doesn't have aircon, she would be ended up in a clinic or hospital if her asthma triggers. I go to the gym, that's already like a must. So I pay 1,000 pesos for the gym because in Manila or other places, gym are too expensive. So I'm glad that this beautiful gym here, it only costs me 1,000 pesos per month and I get like... So maintenance of this apartment, or like for example, this. We have this, the sister, I'm gonna show you. But the new one, because this one broke. It eats the hose of washing machine, so that's why all the water goes here and it's not working anymore. One, it's only cost me 6,000 pesos, 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. And so I have to have this because this also prevent for Ella to have asthma. So that's included our expenses. And this one also, my Lang bought me this one. This is one of the best mic ever that can compare to this kind of this one is already not only 2,000 something, and you already got the crispy beautiful mic, and it has a noise cancellation, but I don't want to use it right now. So my Lang also introduced me in this watch, gets low but the problem here, what ang tawag dito? Strap. The strap is this. So every time I wash something, if I'm using this one, the water goes inside and it takes a while to dry up. Why I started having an allergy here. I didn't know that you can replace it. So I can replace it with this if I depends on what I am wearing. So if it's a formal, I can also wear this one. This is one of the best that I am using because I don't get itchy. Because if I am using not stainless, this one is not stainless, I would be going to have a rashes. I'm just using this one right now, and I will remove this one later after this vlog. So like ang ganda kasi niya, it's so beautiful if you're wearing dress or something. So these are the expenses that unexpected that we bought online. So that's why we put like 5,000 to 10,000 pesos online shopping every month. And medication, we also have a medication every month, 2,000 to 5,000 pesos every month because Ella is using this one. So far, she doesn't have any medication every times 1 month to 2 months for her to consume this kind of, and it's only 1,000 pesos. And then the father is not sending money. Hoy! How are you? What kind of person are you? For the context, because Ella's father is a Danish, so he stopped sending money just because we no longer want to go there in other country, and I am no longer single because I've been single for almost 2 years. And when he found out that I'm already in relationships, he is like, boom, No more sending money. We were friends. We were like talking. We would talk about politics. We would talk about things. We have a very good friends relationship back then. Oh, I already begging like, "Uy, send money. Your daughter needs to go to hospital." Still no send. Ay, what kind of person are you? Just because? Ay. Anyway, let's move on. Nakakapagod siya. So anyway, even though we do meal prepping, we still go out and eat because here in Ilocos, we have a plaza for free. You can go around there. So even you grab a French fries or whatever junk food you would like to eat, that's we are doing of my Ella. So we have also mall here, but we really don't have the big mall like Robinson or SM Mall here in Vegan City. We need to at least travel 1.5 hours to be able to go to one of the mall here in Lawag. 1 hour, kind of like that, 1 to 2 hours away from here. But that's okay because we have a mall still here. It just doesn't have like same as mall as usual mall like Robinson, SM, or kind of mall of Asia. 1,000 to 2,000 pesos every month we are using that money for eating out for the snack because we're eating good in meal prepping, so therefore we only crave for snack like for example French fries, ice cream, those kind of things that we don't usually eat during our meal prepping because I am really trying to lessen the food, junk food and sweets. That's why I am already losing weight because of the meal prepping. Self-care, hair care, face care, like makeup. Like right now, I need to wait until a little bit more until it's fully healed before they put another teeth there. And then skincare, I don't have any skincare, only sunblock. I have some skincare but I don't really apply it. It's been there for 6 months going to 1 year. I only apply it once in a blue moon. The dust construction back then when I was in the process relationship, we have a construction, so I don't have sunscreen. I don't really take care of myself back then. I have a lot of scar here. Now this time it's all gone. My daughter always tells me like, oh, you have a pimple, you have a marks pimple here. Now this time it's just heals, probably because of I've been taking care of very well right now. Like I don't have to do all those stress, and you know what I mean. So when you are in the healthy relationship, you're gonna be supported and glowing. My makeup lasts me a long time, like 1 year, 2 years. Some of them, they already expired or something. I don't know. My hair care is shampoo, conditioner. And then every once a year, I do a rebond. My rebond, it only cost me 2,500 to 3,000 pesos. My nail, I don't do my nail. If I do it by my own because I really don't like them to really remove a lot of things around and then it comes back thicker. So that's why I only do it by myself. So, but I don't do facial, laser or something like that yet. I think I don't need it yet, but we don't know yet when I'm gonna need like laser or something. When you are not being stressed about your relationship, probably that's why you don't need a lot of like you know, unlike when you're stressed, you need. So it's I cannot really put that one in monthly. When it comes to my clothes, I only buy clothes when I need it. Clothes right now are usually black and jeans because of my lifestyle. I don't work. I don't. It's just my lifestyle. I go drive, so that's why driving like this, it's gonna be ridiculous, so I don't really use this kind of only in vacation. And then shoes also, I only have one shoes for workout, one shoes for going out, one sandals for going out, because like I said, probably if I'm working or if I am doing a lot of activities, you need to socialize so much. Probably I will need to, I'm gonna buy. But this time, my lifestyle right now, I really don't go out that much. I only go out when I do like errands, market, going to pasyal. So I only wear usually my Crocs. I also don't have bag. I only have one bag. I'm gonna show you. So this is only bag that I have. It's like everywhere you can
Like, this is only bag.
Probably I'm just gonna buy one bag if I am going to go somewhere. Now I'm driving, I am just a mom, I am just...
Okay, let's go.
So Ella's wants like 100 to 1,000 pesos per month. Like every time we go out, since we have a rules, she doesn't need to beg me like, "Mommy, buy me this, buy me that," because she knows she only can take a picture of that, and then she's gonna think about it if which one she's going to buy. It stops me from being embarrassed because we are like kids like back and forth crying in the street or whatever. We avoided that one since we are practicing. If you still remember, she really liked it, we're gonna buy it online. Because online is more cheaper. When it comes shoes, clothes, and everything, she really hates buying clothes. She doesn't care about how much the shoes, she only cares about how comfortable it is. That's a good thing, right? She's not really into fashion or something. This kid is just amazing. It saves me so much money. We buy only when needed also. We have a lot of ukay-ukay also here, you know, second-hand clothes. Usually that's where we get our shorts. T-shirt online. Online is only 200 pesos, 150 to 200 pesos each t-shirt, and then usually we get the shorts from ukay. Imagine this is just a simple life here in the Philippines, but we're already spending that a lot of amount of money. This is the reality how expenses to live here in the Philippines. So just imagine if you're living in the BGC, just the monthly of expenses already goes to the house or apartment or condo that you are will be, wow, you're rich. If you are spending more than this amount, you're already rich. Like, can we be friends? Can I visit your place? That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you got here, I just want to say thank you so much. And I really appreciate your support and for staying this long. I hope to see you again to our next vlog. Bye-bye. Ang awkward. Naiyan ako.
I can't take no more.
Guys, muna tayo. Mali yung transition ko.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so.
Hello, my test. Hello, my test. Hello, my test. Hello, my text. Hello, my